Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone lag after updating to iOS 26 in a quick and simple way. Let's get started. Step 1. Check low power mode. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Here, you will see low power mode. Make sure it is turned off. Step 2. Update your apps. Go to the App Store on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on Update All to update all your apps. After updating, open any app and check if it is still lagging or not. If the issue is still there, move to the next step. Step 3. Turn off background app refresh. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Now tap on Background App Refresh. At the top, tap on Background App Refresh again and select Off. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Now press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This will refresh your system and fix small bugs. After restarting, open any app and check again. Step 5. Free up storage space. Open Settings, then tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. If your storage is almost full, delete large apps or enable offload unused apps. Step 6. Reset all settings. Open Settings, then go to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. This will not delete your personal data, but it will reset all system settings and may fix the issue. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.